In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a subscription to an account in Kaui. The ability to add a subscription to an account depends on your user roles and permissions. A subscription is like a contract between you and a customer to purchase a product or service with particular terms. In the system, a subscription associates a plan with an account and defines a start date. Please note that you must have at least one product and one plan defined in the catalog. Watch our video, How to Create a Simple Catalog in Kaui, to learn more about this process. Adding a subscription starts on the Subscriptions page. Click Subscriptions on the submenu. This area of Kaui lists any subscriptions and subscription bundles associated with an account. A subscription bundle is a collection of subscriptions. You'll learn more about bundles in another video. To add a subscription to an account, click the plus sign to the right of Subscription Bundles, and Kaui displays the Add New Subscription screen. Kill Bill generates unique keys for bundle key and subscription key, so you can leave them blank. If necessary, you can enter a different bundle key or subscription key. Select a plan from the drop-down list. These options come from the plans defined in the catalog. If you need to override the price for the chosen plan, enter an amount in the Price Override field. To start the subscription immediately, select Immediate Creation, or specify a date to define a specific date on which the subscription begins. Click Save, and you'll see the new subscription listed and a confirmation that the subscription was successfully created. On the Subscriptions page, you can also add an add-on product to a subscription, pause a subscription or resume a paused subscription, change a subscription's plan and amount, cancel a subscription, and update the billing cycle day for the subscription. Kill Bill automatically generates an invoice for the new subscription, which you can see on the Invoices page. On the Account page, the billing info displays the next invoice date for the new subscription. For more information on subscriptions, see the subscription guide at docs.killbill.io.